Hello everyone, welcome back to Two Tools to Drive. Welcome to a new video on how to clean my car when living in a flat. I think that's the title, something along those lines anyway. So for those that don't know, I live in a flat, which makes it really difficult to clean my car. I have no outdoor hose. I could run one from the bathroom out the window, but we're on the wrong side, so I did like a 50 meter, not great. So what I do is I go to the local BP and use their water, view through what I'm doing, and you can rate my car cleaning technique, which I'm more nervous about, to be honest, than anything else. But any questions, give me a shout, leave a comment in below. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Yada yada yada. See you in a bit. Okay, so I'm at BP, where I was just cleaning my car, just filling up the car, and now I'm going to clean it and show you what I do. So I'm going to speed it up when I'm not in front of the camera, so you get an idea. But give me 2 seconds, and I'm going to grab the stuff. So the stuff that I use is, I can't remember how you pronounce it, so I'm going to have to show you very, very quickly. There's no Q, FYI. I wouldn't do this if there was a Q, because I'm not a knob. This is the stuff that I use. I bought it recently. I saw them online, the videos were funny, and to be honest, that's why I bought it. But it seems to do the job. My car techniques probably aren't the best, so you might have to bear with me. So, first things first is this. If I don't, they'll get wet on the outside, and we just don't need that. So, we need a mitten, we don't need these can all be outside. You can't see, but it's going out the way. So I run around the car and spray this on some of the key points, so at the front, the sides, and any bird poo that's on the car at the moment. So bear with me 2 seconds. Like I did say, this car actually isn't that dirty at the moment, which is a first. So, this is the system I've got. The only thing I want from this is water. I don't use that brush. I wouldn't use it on the car if you paid me. So all I use is cold rinse high pressure. That's the only one I'll use. Now I get 6 minutes from when I get it. So what I do, cold rinse, wash over the car, fill up the bucket, put in my shampoo, which is that one, wash the car with my mitt, which is up there, spray it off again, do the tyres, and then dry it. So I'm going to take you through it. So, Apple Watch in hand makes life easier.
Please pass your credit card. Please wait for you, and goodbye.
Right, it's worked. Thank you and goodbye. Press what I want, which is this thing. And yeah, let's go for a spray. So I'll catch up with you in a bit. But like I said, all I need is this for the water. So for anyone running, you get 6 minutes for every £2. I've got 3 minutes and 52 seconds. So now I'm going to start filling up the water in the bucket. Is that on camera? I just had a bit of a mare and poured it all over me. So that went well. Right. We'll keep filling this up a bit. One mitt. Again, you might think, oh, it's a complete brandful, but I bought everything from this Starngloss. How do you pronounce it? Someone want to leave in the comments how I pronounce the brand I bought. Right, feel free to rate my cleaning technique, but this is the best way to do it, I think, personally. I try and stick to going vertically up and down, but as I'm sure everyone knows, it's not always possible. Also, for anyone who doesn't know, Too Tall to Drive, I'm 6'7", and I can't stretch across the bonnet. It's a pretty fucking big bonnet. Oh, I saw there. We're going to have to bleep that out because I don't want to swear on the channel. Although it does say it's not made for kids, but I don't want to do that. And now I just want to wash it off. I'll catch up with you in a bit. Ah, might help. Start at the top of the car and go on from there. Right, that gets really annoying, I think. I'm going to take you off the stand. Okay, so next I use this. And it's currently off, so I'll change that to on. This is just a wheel cleaner. You can't put it on where it's warm, so I'm thinking it's cool by now. So we'll just go and spray this on all the way around and in the middle. Perhaps. So we've got about 2 minutes until this runs out, but I want to spray the wheels first. So we're going to do a bit of a mixture. I'm going to start cleaning with one of my cloths from the top. Right, so as you can see, the wheels have gone purple into all the nuts and the crannies on all 4 wheels. So now we go back to using the spray and we're going to get it all off. I've got 50 seconds to do it, so let's hope I don't run out of time. Have we got it all off? I think so, just about in time. Not too bad. Right, so as I was saying, continue going around the car and just really finishing it off by just making sure everywhere is all dry. Try and getting all the water off in the same direction. And I'm hoping by the end of it, it looks pretty good. Feel free to rate my car cleaning abilities. I'm sure there'll be people that be like, oh, you've done it so wrong. Which, if the case, tell me what I did wrong. You know, comment, like, subscribe, or unsubscribe if my cleaning offended you. I apologise. But hey, I feel like it is better than someone else coming around and doing my car, but who knows. Right, I think I've signed off about 5 times in the video, so we'll choose one. But yeah, thanks very much for watching. I really do appreciate it. And I'll see you in the next one. Oh, here's the rest of my Jag.